The health crisis we are facing is stressing the need for advanced textile materials, many of which are manufactured in Catalonia.
En l'àmbit sanitari fabriquem cordons elàstics per a les mascaretes i hem adaptat nova maquinària per cobrir la demanda que hi ha actualment dels cordons elàstics per mascaretes. Això ens ha provocat dificultats de gestió, com són l'adaptació de nova maquinària, hem tingut que dissenyar nous articles, hem tingut que formar a gent perquè gestioni aquestes màquines i hem tingut que analitzar els articles del mercat per cobrir les característiques tècniques d'aquests articles.
The members of AEI Textiles, the Catalan cluster that brings together companies and organizations working in the sector, have been able to tackle the circumstances in these difficult moments. They are taking action to respond to the health system needs. The cluster is a tool that helps strengthening the competitiveness of the companies that are part of it. AEI Textiles works to support its members, especially when they are facing new challenges.